Hey, and welcome to another lesson. What we're going to do today is install MAMP. MAMP is essentially think of it as a local web server, so we can do local and developing, build our WordPress websites or whatever kind of site or project you're working on, and not have to deal with SiteGround or an online server. You could be on an airplane and working because you have a fully functioning website locally. So the first thing to do is go to the MAMP website, mamp.info, and just download the application and run it on your computer. This is 100% going to be a Mac environment, so I do know that they have WAMP for Windows and a bunch of other cool products. When you download it, you end up getting both MAMP and MAMP Pro. If you look in here in my applications, you can see that I have MAMP Pro as well as just regular plain old MAMP. I don't run MAMP Pro. It gives you the ability to have different like domain names you can use. You can have multiple running at the same time. In general, I'm working on one website at a time, so MAMP Pro has not been necessary for me. So MAMP itself is free, and it works just perfectly fine. So that's what I tend to use. All right, so I will let you get it installed. What I have done at this point is I have just simply opened up MAMP locally, which brings up this little folder. This little whatever application window. It also fires up a web page locally. You can see we're in localhost, and then gives us a couple different options. Basically, the number one thing that I'm going to do here is go into PHPMyAdmin and create a database, but we'll get to that in a second. So, what happens when you load MAMP is it creates a folder called htdocs, and within htdocs is are going to be all the folders that you use for your website. So you can see I have a bunch of websites in here. If you click into one of them, this particular one, you'll see a regular WordPress install that I'm guessing you're familiar with. This could also be your app that you're working on or what have you. And then it has all the normal files that you would see on a live site. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start from scratch, create a new install, create a new website, and then show you how you can switch back and forth in between.